Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Expert. Have you noticed that when you open a new Demat account, different brokers are offering many unique features? So some brokerage platforms are tailored specifically for investments, while others are designed with trading in mind. So many of my viewers are into trading, futures and options, or short-term strategies, while many others prefer to focus on long-term investments. So I thought it'd be helpful to discuss a brokerage platform that caters to both long-term investors and short-term traders and investors. So the platform we are going to discuss today is Fyers. First, let's compare Fyers with major brokers like Zerodha and Upstox. Then I'll give you a detailed description about the features of the Fyers platform. So by the end of the video, you'll understand why I personally find Fyers better. To give you a better perspective, let's compare the Fyers with popular brokers like Zerodha and Upstox. Fyers was launched in 2015, Zerodha in 2010, and Upstox in 2009. Despite being relatively new compared to the other two platforms, Fyers has over 1 million downloads and a rating of 4.6, which is competitive with other platforms. So first, let's compare the account opening charges. So for individuals, the account opening charges is zero across all the platforms for Upstox, Zerodha, and Fyers. For NRIs, Fyers still charges 0 rupees, while Zerodha charges 500, and no NRI account is available for Upstox. Looking at the AMC charges for individuals, Fyers it's 0 rupees, Zerodha 300, and Upstox 0. Looking at the annual maintenance charges for NRIs, Fyers it's 0 rupees. For Zerodha, 500 rupees. No NRI account is available for Upstox. For intraday trading, Fyers charge 0.03% or 20 rupees, whichever is lower, similar to Zerodha. Upstox charges slightly more at 0.05%. For delivery-based trades, Fyers charge 0.3% or 20 rupees. Upstox charge 2.5% or 20 rupees, while Zerodha offers delivery for free. Looking at the DP charges, Fyers it's 3.5 plus GST. For Zerodha, it's 15.3 plus GST. And for Upstox, it's 18.5 plus GST. For margin trading facilities, Fyers charge 0.0049% per day, similar to Zerodha, while Upstox charge 0.05% per day. Let's look at the charges for pledging. Fyers it's 5 rupees, Zerodha 30 rupees, and Upstox 20 rupees. In call and trade charges, all the three brokers charge 50 per executed order. So all the platforms provide investment options like stocks, futures and options, commodities, mutual funds, ETFs and IPOs. However, the SIP options are only available on Fyers. SMS alerts are free on Fyers, whereas Zerodha and Upstox charge for them. Online portfolio management is offered exclusively by Fyers. Now that we have gone through all the features and comparisons, you can see why Fyers stands out. Whether it's free SMS alerts, online portfolio management, or its competitive pricing, Fyers offers unique benefits worth considering. So now let's look into some of the unique features of Fyers. There is this feature called Scalper Terminal. So if you're into option buying or intraday trading, this terminal can execute orders within 10 milliseconds, which is particularly useful for scalpers. So Fyers is the first broker in India to offer such a terminal, completely free for the users. There is no extra charges. So I'll show you a small demo on how to use the feature. Apart from this, there is other features like screeners. Many people ask me how I shortlist my fundamentally strong stocks. So you can use the screener feature to quickly filter such stocks. So for example, if you're looking for a company with a low price to earnings ratio, consistent earnings growth, and a market cap below 25,000 crores, You can input these queries and the screener will shortlist the stocks for you. So there is also many pre-built screens like the momentum screener, breakout stock screener, and trending stock screener. So please check out my previous video where I explain how to find the multi-bagger stocks using the Fyers screener. Next, let's look at the smart orders. This is all about setting price limits with flexibility. The smart limit automatically executes your order at the best price with your chosen range, even when you're not actively watching the market. So using smart orders, you can implement features like smart trading, smart exit, smart limit, and smart stop for intraday trading. You can also take advantage of the margin trading facility. You can get up to 4x leverage based on your capital. The Fyers platform also provides instant withdrawal, and before executing any trade, you can get a detailed price breakup chart showing the brokerage, STT, transaction charges, and other costs, ensuring there is a complete transparency. The next feature is very useful for traders. There is a verified profit and loss sharing feature in Fyers. Fyers also offer a community platform where both traders and long-term investors can exchange their views and insights. So being part of this community not only enhances your knowledge but also helps you explore new investments and trading opportunities. For beginners, the Fyers also provide a learning platform that covers the technical and fundamental aspects of the stock market, making it easier to build a strong foundation. Another standout feature is the stock specific news update. When you add stocks to your portfolio, you'll receive news exclusively related to those stocks. So, Fyers also offer updates from reliable sources like the Economic Times, keeping you well informed about the market trends. So, overall, I've shared a detailed comparison to show how the Fyers benefit both long term investors and the short term traders. Personally, I find this platform better because it offers stock specific news, a scalping mode for intraday trading, and features that suit my trading style. Account opening link is available in the video description and the pinned comment. So see you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.